Let us learn about the sentences using chahiye. Okay, in the previous classes we have seen that chah means wish, want. Here chahiye also got the same meaning, but it is some different from चाह. Okay, मुझे कलम चाहिए means I want a pen. Here see, here from to the subject we have to add ko. Then here see here also मुझे, उसको, हमको, तुम्हें. Okay, like that for the subject we have to add ko. Then for in the chag, this type of no adding in these sentences. Okay, now we can go sentences using chahiye. Okay, chahiye means want. मुझे एक कलम चाहिए, I want a pen. उसको एक खिलौना चाहिए. Okay, उसको एक खिलौना चाहिए. He wants a toy. हमको अच्छे घर चाहिए. We want a good house. Okay, we want a good house. तुम्हें पाठ याद करना चाहिए. You should do this. You should memorize the lesson. उसको शरबत नहीं पीना चाहिए. उसको शरबत नहीं पीना चाहिए. He should not drink juice. बच्चे को थोड़ा दूध चाहिए. बच्चे को थोड़ा दूध चाहिए. Little milk is required for the child. Okay, little milk is required for the child. See here we are adding to the subject. Okay, the case ending को. Okay, उसको, मुझे, तुम्हें, हमको, आपको. Okay, the difference we have to understand from the chag and chahiye. Okay, here see, आपको सबेरे टहलना चाहिए. You must walk in the morning. उस धनी को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. उस धनी को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Nothing is required for the rich man. हमें सबसे प्यार करना चाहिए. हमें सबसे प्यार करना चाहिए. We should be kind to all. उसको आपकी मदद चाहिए. उसको आपकी मदद चाहिए. Your help is required for him. मुझे मैं प्लस ओके मुझे अब घर लौटना चाहिए. I must go home now. सबको मिलकर रहना चाहिए. All should live united. You must be remember that if you are using the sentences or finishing the sentences with chahiye, you have to use को. Add को to the subject. Okay, मुझे, उसको, हमको, तुमको, उसको. Here बच्चे को. See here we are using को here. बच्चे को. Then here आपको, उस धनी को, हमें, उसको, मुझे, सबको. Okay, you have to remember that you have to use को. See, let us see once again. मुझे एक कलम चाहिए. I want a pen. उसको एक खिलौना चाहिए. He wants a toy. हमको अच्छे घर चाहिए. We want a good house. तुम्हें पाठ याद करना चाहिए. You should memorize the lesson. उसको शरबत नहीं पीना चाहिए. He should not drink juice. बच्चे को थोड़ा दूध चाहिए. Little milk is required for the child. Okay. See here. आपको सवेरे टहलना चाहिए. You must walk in the morning. उस धनी को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Nothing is required for that rich man. हमें सबसे प्यार करना चाहिए. We should be kind to all. उसको आपकी मदद चाहिए. Your help is required for him. मुझे अब घर लौटना चाहिए. I must go home now. सबको मिलकर रहना चाहिए. All should live united. Okay, hope you understand this. Don't skip this video. Watch this video fully, then only you can easily speak, understand what others speaking.